kind of crazy. It wasn't supposed to be this big. Established in 2001 because of a wedding for my stepdaughter. Don't have any formal training in woodworking, so it was like I was just building some furniture to decorate for this wedding. Over the next few months, I continued to build, and I thought it was part-time. We did a craft show in the fall and sold a lot of furniture at that. And I thought, man, this could really evolve. We started in our basement, really simple, basic log furniture. Very quickly, I found live edge wood slabs online. Ordered my first one in and got it in and built a coffee table and thought, man, I love this. I quickly started bringing in tractor trailer loads of old growth redwood, Claro walnut, big leaf maple, and other incidentals. We continued to just strive to find other areas to sell and how to market, and looked at a log home show, and that's where the world changed. We started doing log home and timber frame shows around the United States until 2005. In 2005, I realized there was a shift going on, and I knew that sales would not stay at the shows, that the future was going to be on the internet. So I started tooling up and building Littlebranchfarm.com, and now we've succeeded in being a dominant force on the web. Years ago when I started Littlebranch was log furniture, simple, but the big picture for me was always creating an environment or having a location that gave the client every opportunity or aspect they would need for a rustic home or the rustic home decor, and to feel like they were at a log home show, that all the components that you need for a home are right there, so that you're able to become inspired by that. What sets me apart in the industry is my finish and the attention to leaving the wood as natural as possible, to just bring out what is inside that wood, the natural beauty. I want to create furniture that is not just functional, but has an artistic flair to it that can be passed on for generations to come.